Select the top view to start the design. From the sketch window, draw a circle with a diameter of 5.5 millimeters. Inside the circle, draw a construction line, and at its end, draw another circle. Use the circular pattern to draw the 6 circles. To define the distance between the circles, set the dimension of the dashed line. To get the solid, extrude the sketch to a height of 125 millimeters. On the top face, draw 2 circumferences. To cut the solid correctly, draw the outer circle using convert entities. Select the sections to be cut and specify the depth. Use fillet to round the edges with 0.25 millimeters. To finish, perform the chamfer of 0.25 x 6000. Great! To practice, try doing it yourself by looking at the drawing and following these steps. Good luck.